This is K. Vaishnavi of class 10A. So now we are going to learn about the chapter statistics. Collection of data. The process of collecting information and facts from all the relevant sources to evaluate outcomes and to find answers. Numerical representation of data. Measures of central tendency. Mean, median, mode. Mean, median, mode. So mean of the ungrouped data, we need to find the formula is mean x bar is equals to number of observations by total number of observations. Data are of three types. First one, if x1, x2, x3 and so on are repeating f1, f2, f3 times, then the mean of this data is mean x bar is equals to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 plus and so on, by f1 f2 by f1 plus f2 plus f3. Mean x bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So second one is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method, mean x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi, where a is the assumed mean method of the class mark. Then fi is the frequency and di is the class mark minus assumed mean method. Class mark is equals to upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Sorry. Third, step deviation method. Mean x bar is equals to a plus summation mean x bar is equals to a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h, where a is the assumed mean method of the class mark and fi is the frequency, ui is di minus a, that is di by h. Then h is the class size and or the width of the class. Mode for the ungrouped data. If the given data in the number which is frequently repeating is called as a mode for the data. Now mode for the grouped data is mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where F1 is the frequency of the model class and F0 is the frequency of the frequency preceding the model class and F2 is the frequency preceding the succeeding the model class, and h is the class size or the width of the class, and L is the lower limit of the class interval. Median for the ungrouped data. If the data of the numbers are in odd numbers, then we use n by 2 plus 1th observation. When the data is in even numbers, we use the formula n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Data for the median for the grouped data. L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h, where L is the lower limit of the median class and n by 2 is the median class, where n is the number of observations and C is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, and f is the frequency of the median class, and h is the class size or the width of the class. Graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution are less than ogive curve, the graph comes like this, and more than ogive curve, the graphs come from up to down, less than ogive curve, graph comes from down to up. We use for the representing, we use upper limit and cumulative frequency. For more than ogive curve, we use lower limit and cumulative frequency. After doing the graph, we need to find the median class, that is n by 2. After doing the n by 2, the value we need to plot on the y axis, and we need to draw a line parallel to x axis, and after drawing a line parallel to x axis where the line intersects, we need to draw the perpendicular to x axis, and that value is the median. Thank you.